Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I just quickly want to talk about a method of how you can record and take photos of your catches while you're fishing without the need of a tripod. So before I had a tripod, before I used to make videos in the way that I do now, I used to wonder, how can I go fishing if I'm on my own? And if I catch a good fish, how am I going to get a shot of it or a bit of video footage? There's just no way. So I started looking online. This is about 5 or 6 years ago, and I found this little thing called a bank stick camera adapter. You can pick these up on the internet. If you put it in on Google, loads of different places you can buy these for £3 or £4, something like that, a few pounds, very cheap. And what that'll allow you to do is make use of your bank stick. So if you're a fisherman, I'm sure you've got a bank stick already. And then the thread in the end of the bank stick, you can screw this attachment onto, just like you would a rod rest head. You attach that on there, and that gives you a thread that you can screw your camera into. I can't show me screwing my camera into this because I'm using it to film this video, but I do have this attachment for a mobile phone. So this will screw directly into the bottom of most digital cameras, and then you've got your kind of tripod on the bank. Push this into the dirt and you've got a kind of a tripod. Or you can buy these adapters for mobile phones. It's just like a clamp. Clamps the phone in, and it has the same thread as the bottom of a camera. So you can screw that onto your attachment like so, and now you have the ability to add your phone to this clamp. Just pull out the top, get that in there like so, and you can switch the camera around on your phone. And you can get a shot. And if you've got an adjustable bank stick like this one, you can adjust the height as well. I think these are good if you're just getting into fishing, or if you're travelling light and you don't want to carry a standard tripod because they can be quite bulky and awkward to set up. So this is a much better idea. If you're not that into filming, you can just buy one of these attachments and you're good to go. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more fishing related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.